Today we are doing page 5 and 6 in Workbook 5. Complete the sums. Write a number sentence. Now this is similar to what we did yesterday. However, they are taking some away. So our sums are not going to be plus sums, they are going to be minus sums. When we take something away, we scratch it out and it means minus. So this time you start with how many there were all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your sum starts with 5 minus 1 because 1 was scratched out, and then you write your answer. With the pairs, again, start with how many there were all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write 5 minus the 2 they scratched out. Yeah? Always, with each of them, start with how many there were all together, and then you minus the ones that are crossed out. Yeah, you do the rest of those by yourself. Then draw your own sums and write a number sentence. So just like we did here with the drawing, either with the minuses like this where they crossed them out, or with the pluses like we did yesterday, you're going to draw your own. So you can draw whatever picture you want. If you want to do it as a plus, you draw some on this side and some on this side, and then you write the sum. If you want to do minus, you need to draw a group of them, but you need to cross some of them out, and then you do your minus sum. So I would say do 2 minus and 2 plus because it's 4 sums that you need to do. Okay. And then story sums. Draw a picture and write a number. Okay. It says write a number, but I like it when you do a sum and then the number at the end for the answer. But let's see what it says. Jack has 3 apples. Mommy gives him 8 more. How many apples does he have all together? Okay. Draw the 3 apples and then draw the 8 apples. All together means plussing them all together. So your sum is the apples he had plus the apples mom gave him, and how many apples did he have all together. Next one. Dan has 12 balloons but 9 burst. Okay, that means they popped. How many balloons does he have left? So you draw the 12 balloons he started with, and 9 of them popped. Does that mean he got 9 more or 9 are gone? Yes, 9 are gone. So you cross out 9 of them. And then you write your sum and your answer. Okay, it's a minus sum. At the bottom of page 5, it says fill in the correct symbol, plus or minus. So it's 2 something 2 equals 4. Is it 2 plus 2 that equals 4 or 2 minus 2 that equals 4? You just write down the plus or the minus. Okay, you look carefully at each one and you decide if that would be a plus sum or a minus sum to get to the answer at the end. Think carefully with that one. Then we move to page 6. At the top, write the number name for each symbol. Okay, write the number name for each symbol. So this is counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way to 100. You have to write the word. Okay, we haven't practiced writing these big words yet. So if you're not so sure about the spelling, you'll just have to ask Mom and Dad how to spell the different ones. Okay, and then you can also start practicing them because we are going to get them as our schoolwork soon. Count in 5s. We've had this one before. You just start 5, 10, 15, all the way to 50. name the shape. Yeah, they give you the spelling of the word, so that's nice. There's square, triangle, circle, rectangle. So you look at each of these shapes and write on the line underneath what that shape is. You can get the spelling there. And the last one on page 6. Okay, another story sum. Draw a picture and write a number. Right, the number is the sum. Ben has 11 goldfish. His brother has 7. How many more goldfish does Ben have than his brother? This is quite a tricky one. So, Ben has 11. His brother has 7. So I would draw the 11 goldfish and I would draw the 7 goldfish. So I draw Ben's 11 and his brother's 7. Then they want to know how many extra does he have. So we could use an abacus for this, or you could use your picture once you've drawn your picture. Okay. So Ben had 11. So I'm going to count over 11. We know that one line is 10 and that's 11. And we know that his brother only had 7. So out of this 11, you could take away the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. His brother had 7, but Ben has 11. So here you can see how many more his brother had. You can look at the picture. His brother only had 7, but he had 11, which is like this. If you take that 7 away, you can see how many more he had. His brother had this many more goldfish. You would just write the number, this number, next to your picture. Another way that you could do it is if you start with the brother 7. There's 7. And now you want to see how many more until you get to 11. So we've got 7 and we count on. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, not 12, 11. So this is how many more we needed to move to get to the brother's 11. So that could also be a way of doing it and counting the number there to know how many more he had. Right, that's all for today.